This little tree is not going to give up. Gonna have to work on it today. And this little tree is not going to give up either. Gonna have to work on it today. And Abel's going to have to do the weed eating. He did the front yard, but then he ran out of gas. So maybe tomorrow in the morning, it's going to seed. It's going to seed. See, it all needs to be cut again. I got flowers. I got my wood to walk on. Put my chair here so it don't fall in the ground. Everything's growing back. Oh, that's what that noise was. The doggies did this. They tear it up. Abel will have to fix that when he gets home. Look, it's a grow back. I got flowers. Oh, this gotta be cut. My flowers. Look. This thing growing back. Ugh. It's growing back. Oh, I can smell the flowers. They smell so pretty. The hedge is just growing back. It's growing back. It's growing back.